My name is Len Weller. I am the U.S. Business Developer for Malley Industries, and today I'd like to go over some of the major innovations of the Malley product. I think that the first place we should look at is the cab. These days, medics are spending hours and hours in the ambulance. By building this contour piece, it allows the seats to have full seat travel and full seat recline, making it the most comfortable cab in the industry today. The other innovation is that we don't want to have the medics to be going in and out of the vehicles to be getting equipment. So we have placed the spine board and the scoop stretcher here, and also this slide out tray for your secondary stretcher. Again, eliminating the need for the medic to be going in and out of the vehicle to get equipment. At the rear of the vehicle, we have the kit tree. This allows the medic to take the stretcher, pull the stretcher out of the ambulance, take his various kits, place it on the stretcher, and then go and do his call. The major innovation, though, is our high-quality composite thermoformed interior. For the past 30 years, most ambulance manufacturers have been building the ambulances out of either wood and mica or aluminum and doing a straight wall construction. This takes up valuable space that can be used for the patient care area. By doing the thermoformed interior, we're able to follow the contours of the chassis, thereby giving you the widest amount of space and also the highest. Very few Type 2 ambulances the medics are able to stand in. The composite material is also easy to clean and also resistant to any pathogens. By using thermoform material, we achieve a payload of in excess of 2,300 pounds, which is 1,000 pounds more than any manufacturer using wood, mica, or aluminum for their conversion. Malley has continued to push the envelope in innovation and safety, so please stay tuned for what's next.